Yeah. So how was your racquetball game with Helen? Awesome. You didn't use that thing.
You beat Helen?
He's a pro. No, I was just on fire.